Sawadika. Hi everyone. Today let's make Thai style century egg salad. This is basically sliced century eggs topped with Thai style dressing, which is sour, salty, and slightly spicy. The best part of this dish that you cannot miss out is the fried peanuts. It really elevates the whole dish. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have fried peanuts, fresh lime juice, MSG, this is optional, palm sugar syrup, garlic, shallots, fish sauce, coriander as a garnish, red chilies, and our century eggs. Let's start prepping the ingredients. I'm going to thinly slice my shallots. Then slicing the garlic into chips. Let's start making the dressing by combining all of these seasoning ingredients. First off is fish sauce, then fresh lime juice. I recommend you to use the fresh kind and not the bottled lime juice because it's so much better and fresher. Palm sugar syrup. This is basically dissolved palm sugar that I keep in a container, and it's really convenient to use for like a time like this. And lastly, MSG. We are going to give this a mix until the MSG has dissolved. Add in fried peanuts, shallots, chilies, and garlic that we sliced earlier. Combine this well and the dressing is done. You can then top this on top of your sliced century eggs. Garnish with the coriander and more of the fried peanuts, and it's ready to be served. The fried peanuts is really the star of this dish. So if you're looking for a way to spice up your century eggs, this is the recipe and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye!